Hello and a warm welcome to everyone tuning in. I hope you're having an amazing holiday season filled with joy, celebration, and a bit of festive music playing in the background. I won't break into song, but let's admit it, this time of year always feels like the perfect excuse to hum along to your favorite tunes. Whether you're celebrating Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, or any other special occasion, I want to send you my heartfelt best wishes. I'm Cristiano Ronaldo, and you're watching another Go Natural English episode. Today, I want to talk with you about something exciting and personal, your goals, your dreams, and how you can use this season as a launchpad to grow, especially when it comes to mastering English. As the year wraps up and we get ready for a fresh start, it's the perfect moment to reflect. Do you have anything you'd really love to improve in your life? Something you want to change or become better at? A lot of people take this moment to set New Year's resolutions. Some decide to focus on their health, maybe lose a few pounds or adopt healthier eating habits. Others make financial plans, like saving more or spending less. But if you're here watching this video, chances are you might be thinking about improving your English. Maybe your dream is to become truly fluent so you can communicate more confidently, travel with ease, land your dream job, or simply feel proud of how far you've come. So here's what I'd love: take a moment and think deeply. What is your New Year's resolution when it comes to your English learning? Be specific. What do you want to achieve? Is it to have a natural conversation with a native speaker? To understand movies without subtitles? To speak clearly at work or school? Whatever it is, I want to hear about it. Leave a comment and tell me your resolution. I genuinely want to support you and help guide you in the right direction. And yes, especially if it's English related, I'm here for you every step of the way. Now let me tell you about a couple of amazing opportunities that are available to you through Go Natural English. As we wrap up this year and move into the next, there are two fantastic resources I highly recommend. The first one is an online learning platform that I've personally used and loved. It's called Italki, and it offers language learning experiences tailored just for you. Whether you want to practice English, Spanish, Arabic, or even Turkish, Italki connects you with native-speaking tutors. I've taken lessons myself in different languages and I've had really powerful breakthroughs thanks to one-on-one practice. It's an easy way to bring real conversation into your learning routine, which is absolutely key for fluency. And here's the best part. Right now, there's a special offer where you can get a bonus lesson free, a value up to $10. You can visit my YouTube channel Mr. English Teacher and find the Italki link to take advantage of this deal. You'll also get a free ebook packed with helpful tips and exercises, whether you decide to work with a teacher or practice on your own. Just download it and start exploring. Alongside Italki, I've got another treat for you. It's a brand new course called 50 Fixes for English Fluency. This course dives deep into 50 common challenges that English learners face. Whether it's tricky grammar, confusing pronunciation, or awkward phrasing, I walk you through each one with clear, helpful lessons. You'll learn how to correct those issues in a simple and natural way. This course is designed to give you the clarity and confidence you've been looking for, and you can find it on my YouTube channel by searching for the 50 Fixes course. What makes this course special is that it's rooted in 3 principles that I truly believe lead to fluency. First, know exactly what you want to say and who you want to say it to. Be clear about the kind of conversations you want to have and the vocabulary you need. Second, train your ears. That means listening carefully to understand native speakers. English is a conversation, and if you want to participate confidently, you have to hear what's being said. Third, develop the ability to be understood. That includes pronunciation, using the right expressions, mastering grammar, and understanding cultural nuances. These 3 principles are the foundation of everything I teach in the course, and they're the reason so many learners see incredible progress. Go Natural English isn't just another course. It's a method. It's a mindset. It's about learning naturally through stories, conversations, and engaging content that makes you forget you're even studying. I want to make learning feel effortless for you. You won't be stuck in a boring classroom. You won't be overwhelmed by theory. You'll be immersed, motivated, and actually excited to come back and learn more. So as we step into this exciting new season, I invite you to join me and thousands of other learners around the world who are committed to growing their English skills and achieving real fluency. Check out the Italki offer. Explore the 50 Fixes course. And most importantly, share your New Year's resolution with me. Let's make it happen together. Thanks again for being such a valued part of the Go Natural English community. I truly appreciate you being here and sharing your learning journey with me. Wishing you joy, success, and inspiration in this season and beyond. I look forward to hearing your resolution and seeing you in the next lesson. Talk to you soon.